If I type MySQL, I get this error that says MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. To fix this, we need to add MySQL to environment variables. So open your Explorer and go to wherever you have installed MySQL. Now it depends on which method you choose for installation. So if you install using XAMPP, go inside XAMPP, go inside MySQL folder here, go inside bin, and then copy this path. Now if you've installed using Workbench or a standalone MySQL installer, go inside program files, go inside MySQL here, go inside MySQL server, go inside bin, and then copy this path. Once you have copied the path of MySQL server installation, press your Windows key and tap environment variables. Click on edit environment variables for your account. Double click on this path. At the end here in the bottom row, double click again and paste it. Click OK again. You can now close this. Now you can close this, open command prompt. Now let's enter the command again. So if I type MySQL now, this time as you can see, it's giving me access denied because I have not defined a user and a password. So I can do this, and now I'll be asked for the password, and I can enter my password and go inside my SQL server. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.